Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to integrate Stripe payment gateway in WooCommerce, and this is actually very easy. So at first you have to make sure that you have your SSL certificate set up in your WordPress. After that, we're going to go into Stripe and then get your test AP keys, and then from there we're going to go back to WordPress and we're going to click on add plugins and we're going to search for this WooCommerce Stripe and we're going to install it. After it's done, we're going to go to plugins and we're going to see this one. So you're going to go into its settings and then in the payment settings click on Stripe account settings, and then whatever this URL is, you're going to copy this one and then add it, and you also need to paste it over into your WooCommerce and then make sure you're into enabling the test mode. After you're done, in your billing you'll see this credit card Stripe option, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.